DIY sugar wax at home. Easy method for smooth skin. Tired of expensive salon waxes and painful strips? Say hello to glowing, silky skin, naturally and affordably with just 3 ingredients. It's easy, quick, and 100% natural. This DIY sugar wax is gentle and effective. It's perfect for sensitive skin and reusable too. And the best part? You'll save money every time. To make your own sugar wax, you'll need 3 things. 1 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of water. That's it, no chemicals, no parabens, no nonsense. Start by adding all the ingredients into a saucepan. Turn the heat to medium and stir continuously. As the mixture heats up, it starts bubbling. Keep stirring until the color turns gold. Once thick, remove it from the heat and let it cool. It should have a sticky, honey-like texture when ready. Make sure your skin is clean and dry before starting. Take a small amount of wax and roll it into a ball. Flatten it against your skin in the direction of hair growth. Pull it off quickly in the opposite direction. The hair comes off gently, with less pain than traditional waxing. This method works great on arms, legs, and underarms. Avoid using it on your face if you have sensitive skin. Sugar wax is completely biodegradable and eco-friendly. It removes hair from the root, giving smoother skin for weeks. No burns, no irritation, and no sticky residue. Just soft, glowing skin naturally. Love simple and natural beauty hacks like this. Hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY skincare tips. And let us know in the comments. Have you tried sugar waxing at home before?